Devotional focus for today. Jesus shared many parables about the kingdom of God. In the story of the lost son, we discovered powerful truths about God's love. A man had two sons. The younger demanded his inheritance early and quickly wasted it all. It was wrong enough to ask for his inheritance while his father was alive. But to squander it was even more foolish. Yet the father's love never wavered. When uh, when the sons returned, the father welcomed him. The father is no hesitation to welcome him again with open and unconditional love. This parable reveals the depth of God's amazing love and His readiness to forgive anyone who returns from their wandering. When the father called for a celebration, the older son grumbled. He couldn't understand such love and forgiveness. The father explained that it was like his brother had died and come back to life, and so they must rejoice. This story teaches us that God calls us to celebrate when a lost when a lost sinner returns to his family. Well, we welcome them. Well, we forgive as forgive God forgives us. This is the life God love invites us to live. You can read the passage, my brothers and sisters, in Luke chapter 15, verse 11 to 32. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.